Even at 40 below, a polar bear is well insulated, with a double layer of fur and a blanket of fat as thick as a man's arm. Polar bears never have to hibernate. Winter is their hunting season. Seals are their favorite prey, and polar bears use their astounding sense of smell to detect them many miles away. Male bears are known to kill cubs that are not their own. This mom's young, near fully grown, are not so vulnerable. Still, best to keep their distance. And this may be a chance for Mom to show how it's done. Approach from downwind. Use camouflage. Sneak into striking range. With each successful hunt, Mom helps her cubs grow stronger and wiser. Once they leave her, these lessons will make the difference between life and death.